What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. In today's video, we're going to be comparing two amazing microphones that I have used both of them and I've reviewed both of them, but it is time to put them to the test, one against the other. We're going to be comparing the Fifine T669 versus the Fifine K683a. The Fifine T669 has been around in the market for around a year or two at this point. Meanwhile, the Fifine K683a just dropped like a month ago. I have reviewed both of these microphones. I'll leave all the links down below in the description so you go and check them out if you want in-depth more reviews for each one individually. But it is time to put them to the test, see which one is better, which one sounds better, and which scenario you should use each one of them. They both sell around the same price. The Fifine K683 sells around $50 and the Fifine T669 sells around I think $65 or $70 or something like that. The only difference is the Fifine T669 comes with an arm that extends. Meanwhile, this only comes with a stand. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Nash, aka Give 'em Chills. We review tech products, gamer products, streaming products, and software at the same time. So yeah, I would love for you to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and join the Give 'em Chills Nation. If you didn't know, we also have a Discord server, so I'd like to invite you to that. I'll leave the link down below in the description. There's a lot of people that can help you with PC stuff or streaming stuff or tech stuff, whatever you need tech-wise, help-wise, or if you're just looking for a community to hang around and play games with, welcome to join the Discord server down there. But without further ado, let's get into it. Let's review both microphones and let's see which one is better.
What is going on, guys? So right now you're hearing me through the Fifine T669. I have some filters on right now. I'm going to remove all of those before we start testing. Just a few disclaimers, guys. My microphones are both set at 85% in Windows settings, and then on the knob itself they're set to 50%. And in OBS I basically limit the audio to -10 dB just because I don't want it to be too loud or too annoying. So all of these tests are going to happen at that level. And if you're wondering why I'm holding the microphone like this, is because this is usually the distance that I keep these microphones away from me, because these microphones are directional. So when you're talking to them, you got to be like, they got to be close enough to your mouth for them to sound very crisp. So I'm going to keep my hand where it is right now. I'm going to be testing both microphones at the same distance and at the same basically tone of voice and same loudness that I am doing. The tests that we're going to be doing are three or four main tests. Test number one is going to be background noise. What does that sound like? Test number two is going to be keyboard noise. What does that sound like? Test number three is going to be basically audio and how does the microphone sound if you're just, normal day talking to a podcast, talking to your stream people, to your chat. You just want to know and listen to how it sounds. Okay. Some of the things that we're going to be comparing also is features and value that you're getting with these microphones. So basically what does one have that the other one doesn't, and why is one better than the other one? Without further ado, let's get started with testing. First of all, I'm going to take all the filters off of my microphone. All right, guys. So right now we have filters gone. There's no compressors, no gain, no EQ, nothing. Test number one on the Fifine T669 is background noise going in 1, 2, 3, and silence. Perfect. Test number one is background noise going in 1, 2, 3, and go. Test number two on the Fifine T669 is keyboard noise. My keyboard is usually in front of me, so the same distance, and we're going to be testing how loud my keyboard sound when I'm streaming. All right, test number two is going to be keyboard noise going in 1, 2, 3, and all right. Test number three is going to be basically audio test, and I'm going to basically say a sentence here. I'm going to say it in the next one. Hello, my name is Give 'em Chills. I stream on Twitch. Hello, my name is Give 'em Chills, and I love microphones. I love audio. I love gaming. I love GPUs. I wish GPUs were more in stock. Alrighty. Test number three on the K683 is going to be basically the audio and how does it sound. Hello, my name is Nash, aka Give 'em Chills. I love tech, I love GPUs, I love microphones, I love all streaming stuff and all gaming stuff. I wish GPUs were more in stock. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and listen to the audio of both tests that we just created, and I'm going to see which one is better and basically evaluate the audio and evaluate the sound of each of these microphones. Stay with me. Okay guys, so I just reviewed basically the audio for both microphones. A few things I'd like to go over what I think on both microphones. To start, I think both microphones are great. They have a great price point. They both sound really good, but there's differences and there is a winner, and I'll tell you why I chose a winner. So to go over some things, the K683a has more features than the T669. What are those features? Well, the knob has a light on it, as well as there's a mute button that's dedicated for muting the microphone, as well as there's an output jack in the back that you can listen to your own audio. Those are three features that the T669 does not have. Meanwhile, the T669 package is a little bit more expensive, but it comes with more items. So it comes with a pop filter that's designated for it, and it also comes with an arm, which is a big thing for a lot of streamers. But it's a little cheaper, so you can buy an arm for like 10 bucks, so that's something you gotta keep in mind. Audio-wise, both of them have really good background noise. Like, they don't pick up much background noise. Keyboard noise, I noticed that the K683a picked up less than the T669. And then the last thing that made me decide on a winner was the actual audio. So both of them without a filter sound really good, but for my voice and my audio, I prefer to use a T669. Why? I still think it has the more crisp sound of both microphones. I still think that the T669 is literally the best USB microphone to buy out there for the price, to be honest. And I really like it. I've always liked it, and I chose it as the winner, as the one I'm going to keep using. But for now, I'm going to actually stick with the K683 for my rest of the video. This is the K638 with more filters. You might notice it sounds a little bit different. I want to give it a longer try, and so I'm not biased towards the T669 because I've used it more often. That was all. That's my comparison for both of those microphones. Let me know if I missed anything, if you want to see anything specific.
Thank you for watching the video so much. I truly appreciate it. If you stuck around this long, it really means the world to me. Thank you guys for being around this channel. Thank you for helping me grow. And 2021 is just going to be more and more growth, hopefully. So again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about these two microphones, let me know. I'll leave the links in the description below if you want to purchase these microphones. Without further ado, let's end this video. Thank you again for watching. I truly appreciate it, and see you later.